Today, we're talking about how you can earn free cryptocurrency just by browsing the internet. Welcome back to the Financial Beanstalk. My name is Nick, and this is video number 2 in how to get free cryptocurrency. You can watch video 1 in the corner here, where I talk about Coinbase Earn, and this time, we're talking about the Brave browser.
The Brave browser? What's that?
Well, I'm glad you asked. It's a browser, just like Chrome, Safari, Internet Explorer, or anything else you use to search the internet. Except their main shtick is they're all about privacy. Straight from their Wikipedia page, it says, Brave is a free and open source web browser developed by Brave Software Inc. Based on the Chromium web browser, it blocks ads and website trackers and provides a way for users to send cryptocurrency contributions in the form of basic attention tokens to websites and content creators, along with the ability to keep the cryptocurrency they earned. Brave. You might be thinking that's great and all, and they sure threw the word cryptocurrency around a lot in that explanation, but how do I get it? Never fear, that's what the Beanstalk is here for, to explain it to you. Like it mentioned, there's this thing called the Basic Attention Token, or BAT. With all of their privacy features, they block tracking cookies, and there's an ad blocker built into the browser so you won't get any sidebar ads or any YouTube ads. Luckily, I'm not monetized, so if you do use the Brave browser, I won't miss out on any of that revenue. But you can opt in to what is called Brave Rewards, which pays you in their crypto token of BAT. If you do sign up, you're still served ads, but it's only ads that are through Brave's system. Basically, companies will pay Brave for ad space, and they'll pass part of those ad dollars back to you for using them. And here's what the ads look like. It's just a little non-intrusive notification in the corner here. As you're using the internet, you'll see them pop up every so often, so the more you use it, the more ads you'll see, the more you'll earn. Pretty straightforward. You're paid out once a month after the first week of the next month, so you're not just instantly earning that money, you do have to wait a little bit, but again, you're paid out in Brave's native token of BAT, or the Basic Attention Token. They partner with a brokerage called Uphold, so every single month, the BAT that you've earned by using the internet is deposited into your Uphold account. And from there, similar to Coinbase Earn, you can do whatever you want with it. You can keep it as BAT, which as of the filming of this video, one BAT is worth 50 cents. Oh, just kidding, 49 cents. Just kidding again, we're back up to 50 cents. You can transfer it into another cryptocurrency just directly through Uphold, or you can just sell it off and transfer that money to your bank account. There is a referral for Uphold, but I'm not too worried about you using it because if you do use my referral link, you have to trade $250 of cryptocurrency for me to earn anything. But I will leave a link in the description below if you care to support the channel at all through that. I usually only earn a few bucks every month, but hey, I'm using the internet anyway, so why not get paid for it? You can use it on a normal desktop or laptop computer and on mobile phones. So it's completely replaced all my browsing. And theoretically, if I believe in cryptocurrency to any degree, the little amount of money I'm earning now will only be worth more down the road. One other neat little feature that we kind of passed over earlier is the fact that you can tip websites or creators through the Brave browser. Since there is an ad blocker built into it, people aren't getting paid those ad dollars, but if there's a website or a creator that you really like, you can send them a little bit of your BAT. You just tap the little Brave icon in the corner here, tap send a tip, and then you can select how much you want to send them. It's really a win-win situation, or a win-win-win situation where we all win. You win for earning some BAT, I win for getting a little tip, and Brave wins for both of us using it.
Win, win, win.
Lastly, something they just recently implemented is you can redeem your BAT for gift cards through something called the Tap Network. Personally, I'd rather hold on to my cryptocurrency as an investment than get a $5 Amazon gift card here and there. But hey, the option's there if you want it. I'm knocking these free cryptocurrency videos out as quickly as I can so that you can start earning before everything goes to the moon. Or it crashes. But either way, it doesn't really matter if you got it for free, right? So let me know in the comment section below if you're earning free cryptocurrency in any other ways, or if you have any questions about Brave. Of course, I will leave a link in the description below to download Brave and everything else I mentioned. Then go ahead and YouTube mumbo jumbo that subscribe button, that like button, and that bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. I truly appreciate you watching, and let's continue to grow this beanstalk.